In just 15 days, which is 2 weeks and 1 day, you'll be able to move to Malta. Yes, you heard me right. Malta is the country people are running to right now. Whether you are a digital nomad, you are a remote worker, or you are looking for a country that will allow you to move with your family, Malta Fast Track Relocation options make it incredible and easy to start a new life. This program allows you to work in Malta remotely. The best part is that Malta is not just ideal for individuals, it is also perfect for families with excellent healthcare, affordable international schools, and a safe environment. If you are ready to swap your hustle of your current life for the laid-back charms of Malta, stay with me as I take you through everything you need to know to make this move in just 15 days. You heard me right, and it is possible. In just 15 days, you can relocate to Malta with your family. So if you are on the train, watch this video to the very end because this is going to be an informative video that you don't want to miss. So guys, let's dive in. Hi travelers, welcome back to Easy Travel with Relocating. Today I'm bringing you an exciting news that will allow you to move to Malta in just 15 days. You heard me right. Whether you are a digital nomad or a remote worker, or you are looking for a country that will allow you to move with your family, I know the question running in your mind right now. You are asking yourself, is this possible? Yes, it is possible. Malta is one of the easiest countries in the Europe for non-EU citizens to relocate to, with a fast visa processing, a booming job market, and amazing benefits for individuals and families. So guys, Malta is the perfect destination to travel to in 2025. In this video, I'll be guiding you through all the steps you need to take to relocate to Malta. I will explain the visa options, the kind of jobs you can find, the salary ranges, and the benefits you can enjoy with your family. So guys, grab a cup of coffee and sit tight because this is going to be a very informative video that you don't want to miss. So if this is your first time coming across this channel, let me know where you're watching from and I'll come to the comment section to welcome you. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and turn on the notification bell so that you will never miss any opportunities like this. On this channel, I share global opportunities for work, for relocation, and moving abroad. So if that is what you would like to watch, so stick around to the end of the video and don't forget to subscribe to Easy Travel with Relocating. And to all my returning subscribers, thank you very much for your continuous support. So guys, let's dive into today's video. Malta is a small yet mighty country located in the heart of the Mediterranean Sea in south of Italy. Malta is known for its stunning beaches, rich history, and a vibrant culture. When we think about relocating abroad for work or for study, we often focus on the usual English-speaking country destination like Canada, the US, the UK, or Ireland. But have you ever considered Malta? Malta is becoming an increasingly popular choice for experts seeking new opportunities. One of the key benefits you will enjoy if you move to Malta is the English-speaking community. Do you know that English is one of the official language in Malta? So whether you are settling for work or study, you will find it easy to communicate and integrate into daily life. And the best part is that Malta government also made it easy for foreigners to relocate to Malta, especially with their streamlined visa processes. If you're looking for a fast and smooth transition to life in Europe, Malta is the way to go right now because Malta is where everybody is running to. So now let's explore a visa option to relocate to Malta. There are two different popular routes to relocate to Malta if you don't know that. And one of it is the single permit work visa and the second one is the normal resident permit. Both of these visa options are relatively easy to apply for and it can also be processed in just 10 to 15 days. The single work permit is perfect for anyone who has already secured a job in Malta. With this visa, your employer will handle most of the application process and it will make it less stressful for you. The key document you will need to arrange is a signed employment contract, proof of your qualification or relevant experience, and health insurance. And once your employer submits all of your documents, the visa is usually approved within 15 days. On the other hand, the normal resident permit visa is ideal for freelancers, a remote worker, or even if you have your own company that allow you to work outside of Malta or on your own business. You can apply for this permit and enjoy living in Malta while working remotely. And to qualify, you will need to show a proof of remote employment and a minimum monthly income of €2,700 and a valid travel insurance. This permit is also processed quickly and it's usually within 15 days. Now let's talk about the jobs opportunity and salary in Malta. Malta economic is growing faster and there are high demand for skilled workers in various sectors. So for example, like IT and gaming industry are booming right now in Malta. Also with jobs like software developers and customer support agents offering salary between 25,000 to 50,000 per year. And finance sector is another thriving industry with accountant, audit and compliance offering earning around 20,000 to 40,000 annually. There are roles like nurses and healthcare givers in demand and salary ranges from 8,000 to 35,000 per year. And tourism and hospitality, they are also significant industry in Malta with plenty of jobs opportunities for hotel staff, chefs and tour guides. These roles usually offer salary between 15,000 and 25,000 per year. And for family benefit, Malta is a family-friendly country with many benefits for those relocating with their loved ones. Spouses and children can join you through a family reunification visa. Children can access free public education with English as the primary language of instruction, making it easier for them to adapt to the new environment. Healthcare in Malta is something that is amazing. As an employee working in Malta, your family will also have access to Malta's excellent public healthcare system, which is highly rated across Europe. Another thing about Malta is the emphasis on work-life balance. It allows you to spend quality times with your loved ones, your family, while you enjoy everything the island has to offer. Another part we will talk about is the cost of living in Malta. Although Malta offers a high quality of life and the cost of living in Malta is relatively affordable compared to many other Europe countries. So the rent in Malta is usually around 700 to 1,500 euro per month, depending on the city and the size of the property or utility, and the internet costs around 100 to 150 euro per month, and the groceries for a family of 4 ranges around 200 to 300 euro monthly. So now let's talk about what makes Malta unique. One of the most attractive features of Malta is the amazing weather. With over 300 sunny days in a year, the island is also incredibly safe with a low crime rate and a welcoming environment for foreigners. And as a resident, you also enjoy the lifestyle with plenty festivals and culture, events and delicious food. Malta's strategic location make it easy to travel to other European countries, affordable flight destinations like Italy, Spain and Greece, meaning you can explore Europe country whenever you want. Now let's talk about how you can start your application and your relocation journey. So to get started, you have to first decide which visa is best for you. If you're planning to work in Malta, you have to first focus on securing a job through a platform like Job Malta, and I'll also be linking the site where you can find jobs in Malta in the description of this video. And the next thing is to prepare all your necessary documents to apply for the normal resident permit. And once your visa is approved, the next step is to pack your bags and book your flight, and remember to arrange an accommodation ahead of time, whether it is a short-term or a permanent. Relocating to Malta in just 15 days is entirely possible with the right preparation and the right visa. Whether you are moving for work or better opportunities, or you want to change environment. So Malta offers seamless transition, plenty of jobs opportunity, and incredible opportunity for individuals and family. So if you find this video helpful, make sure to give it a thumbs up and share this video to your loved one. And don't forget to subscribe to Easy Travel with Relocate. I would love to hear your thoughts in the comment section. If you have any question, drop them in the comment section and I will do my best to reply. Until next time, keep exploring and chasing your dream, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.